it's Roxy. So I am super excited to finally share my office slash where I film slash where I keep some of my newest items and things like that. So I have asked you guys in my house tour, if you guys want to see my office room tour, then I will go ahead and film that in a separate video, because there was just so much to show you guys in the house tour that I wanted to leave this for a separate video. So today I am here to share with you guys where I film and where everything kind of happens. So hopefully I could give you guys some tips and ideas on how to store things on, you know, like, or just some ideas period for your closet, for your office. So yeah, with that being said, let's get started. So we are actually at my backdrop right now. So I'm gonna flip you guys around and show you guys the rest of the room. Okay. So we're gonna do this vlog style, and we're gonna move this bad boy out of the way because it is in the way. Right when you come in through that door there, to the right of it, I have my huge backdrop paper. Now, this paper changes depending on the mood or whatever I'm filming. I just currently have like the gray one, obviously. So that's what I was using today. Okay, so then following the backdrop paper, I have the 9 drawer from IKEA. I know a lot of beauty gurus have this, but it only makes sense because it literally stores the most makeup inside. So very quickly, I'm going to show you guys what I have in these drawers. Here I tend to put beauty products that I'm going to be using like very soon, and then I just have like my router and stuff. But basically I have all my lippies in the first drawer. Second drawer has a lot of my eyelashes, glue, more eyelashes, or some like random eyeshadows. This is just kind of like random on this side. And this drawer has like lip liners. This one has eyeliners. This has like primers and concealers. And then this is like some random stuff. And then we got all of the palettes in this drawer here. In this drawer, I have face masks, and then some just empty like makeup pouches. This drawer has a bunch of nail polishes. Then as we get lower, this has like a bunch of beauty products that I will be using like very soon. They like made it into the drawer, so that's just something that I will be using soon. Some more products that I will be using. And then the last one has a lot of camera equipment, so that's just kind of where I keep most of like my smaller camera gadgets and smaller tripods and things like that. Okay, moving along. So right next to the 9 drawer, this is kind of like a mess. This kind of needs to be in the garage, but it's just here for now. So basically in these boxes, I have a lot of products. Like this one, I have multiple like items, so they're just in there, and whenever like I have guests come over, I let them kind of like dig through that. These boxes here also have more makeup that either I just don't use, or I have like multiple quantity. Obviously you can tell since I only have one drawer, I don't like to store makeup or keep it for myself. I love to give it away. So I have this mannequin that has been with me since college, and she's just like my favorite, so I don't get rid of her, and I love her. Okay, so I have these two windows here. Okay, so there's two windows. They lead to like my backyard, if you guys can kind of see. Here I have my ring light along with my DSLR camera, and that's just like on the tripod. I don't like to put that stuff away. I kind of like to keep it out because I never know when I might need it. So yeah, so this side is where I film my videos, like my haul videos, and I kind of angle it this way for the window because it lets in like really nice light. But here I just have like framed photos. These pictures actually are from just like I think a Guess Marciano maybe magazine, and I just cut them out and then I put them in here, and it looks really chic and pretty. And those frames are from IKEA, I believe. Okay, so here I just have a bookshelf that kind of just stores like things that, you know, kind of look pretty. So I just like to display shoes in here because it just looks really pretty, really boutique. I also have my YouTube plaque in there, and more shoes, some books, some like fashion books, and more shoes, and then some books, and those are also like fashion books there. Okay, out of breath, but I am now on my desk here. Okay, so this clear chair I actually got from IKEA. My mom and my sister, I believe, gave me that for Christmas. So I just have it there. I like it because it doesn't really take up any space at all. This desk I got from like Target like a long time ago. So here I just have like my phone, my laptop, and then I have a calendar of just important dates of things that need to be like that are due, or things like that. I have it there. And then I just have some pens, pencils, my frame that I, like me and my bestie, are just in there because it's just such a cute like photo. Of course, it wouldn't be a desk without like a cute white stapler, and then some, what are these called? Sticky note pads. And then I have a picture of Javi and myself, a vase with some flowers, and this is, this pouch carries all of my SD cards, and then this is my card reader, along with just some little knickknacks. So that's basically what's on my desk. Nothing crazy or fancy there. Okay, and then that door actually leads to the backyard. Well, actually like the patio deck area, which I hope to someday get rid of that door because I think it's useless. It actually freaks me out more than it's useful. Okay, so this side over here is kind of what I was hoping to share with you guys and give you guys some inspo on how to like decorate maybe your closet or your office or whatever, you know, whatever you might need. But I got this shelving system from a store in downtown LA called Acme. They do a lot of like storage units and things like that for stores. So I felt like this was just pretty chic and cool and different because I have not really seen anybody kind of have this system. So I like it. So it's not as sturdy as I would like it to be, but it does its job. So up top, I just have a few purses that I currently use, and a hat just there for looks, and then that Chanel bag shouldn't be there, but hubby just recently got me a gift, so I kind of just left it there for the meantime. But I wanted to share with you guys a little, if Okay, so this hat is actually on like this tall, clear candle holder. So I thought this was a really cool like hack that you can find these pretty much anywhere. I believe I got this from Target like a long time ago, and it came in a set of 3. And I just use it as like, you know, something to help support my hats. Instead of the hat just sitting on the shelf, it actually sits on, you know, on that, and it looks really cool. So second shelf, I have some more storage unit stuff. What I wanted to share with you guys were my sunglasses. So as you guys can tell, I have quite a few pairs of sunnies. So I like to keep them in this black box that has like slots for your sunglasses. I got this on Amazon, and to be honest, I am really not the biggest fan of it. It has like this really funky like satin material like this. I don't really like it much, but I don't know, it was really cheap and it does its purpose, and you can't really tell that it's satin, especially like on camera, but you can tell. Like this side I have all my designer sunglasses, this side I have like retro inspired sunglasses, and then over there I have a lot of my Key Australia sunglasses and Ray-Bans. So they kind of have like an order, but yeah, so you guys can find this on Amazon. Again, it was pretty cheap, but I just don't like the satin thing. It's just my preference, but it does its job. So, sorry, I'm like so out of breath. So I like to display like any kind of like designer books because I just think it looks really cool. Or like in this case, designer like sunglasses, just as like a display piece because it just looks very chic. Back here I have some like pretty clutches that I think are chic as well, and they just fit perfectly there. This cubicle, like this acrylic cube case that is meant for clutches, I'm not too sure where I got it, but you can probably find it on Amazon. So I basically store like my designer like smaller clutches in here, like my handbags. So I just have that in here, and I keep them in their bag because I don't like them to get dusty. This room doesn't get very much light or dust because I do like to keep these windows shut and the door shut at all times, just because I have a lot of like expensive pieces in here that I don't want to get ruined. So I don't let the light even touch in here because, well, then the light will kind of like damage your leather goods and things like that. So on this last rack here, I like to just display like pieces that I recently maybe have been gifted that I need to like maybe photograph or shoot a video for, or you know, maybe post on Instagram like an outfit of the day. So I just kind of have that all displayed here so I know what I, you know, need to kind of put on next. So that's basically this side. I have everything from like bathing suits to like tops, to basically pants. I mean, you name it, I have it on this rack down here. And down at the bottom, I have just like bags down there that are just kind of storage, and boxes in this right corner that just need to go away. So yeah, that's basically this whole system. Next, we have this weird, awkward door that is supposed to be like a closet. This is the smallest room in the entire house. So this closet is also the smallest closet in the entire world, but I'm going to show you guys what's in it anyways. Ta-da! Okay, so this closet basically is for like storing of any of my filming equipment. So as you guys can see, I have tons and tons of colored backdrops. I have my camera bag, and then I have my drone. This black bag in the corner stores my ring light. This box down here stores things that I film for Liam's channel. So this is all just camera equipment here. And then way up there I have like filing cabinets of like important documents that belong to Javi, myself, and Liam, of course. So that's basically what's up there. But yeah, I just thought I would share with you guys this little small closet because it's pretty useless but useful at the same time. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you found some tips helpful. I know it was like pretty quickly I went through everything because we would be here forever if I explained every little detail. But let me know down in the comments below what you guys would like to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Love you.